Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back with another video for my Making Embellishments series, and my desk is a mess, as you can see. But what I was doing was making some snowman hats, and I was making them in different sizes. So I figured I'd stop what I was doing and show you the different sizes. I have an extra small, medium, and large size. And the extra small is what I used for my snowman embellishment I made a little while ago. I think I made this one back in July. I'm not positive though. But if you haven't seen this embellishment, I'll post a link below down in this video in the description box. So you can check that out. But this is the extra small size, and I just put a ribbon around the hat, and then I put some of this snow text on it. Let me see if I have that nearby to show you. And this one I used regular cardstock with, and then I just ran it through my embossing folder. I used the polka dots, but I just added some of this Deco Art snow text to it, and just a little heart stamp I used on it. So this is the extra small size, but then I did a few more sizes because, as you can see, I'm actually decorating some accordion albums that I've been making, and in here, I'll show you these when they're finished, but on this one I used the large. No, did I? No, this one I used the medium size. And I just did red ribbon and a bow, and then I put this Merry Christmas sentiment there, but it looks really cute on a pocket. So anyway, I thought I'd share the sizes with you guys in case you want to make your own. Let me just put that back in there. And like I said, I'll do a video. My mom did a bunch of accordion albums, and they're in my eBay store right now, but I'll page through them for you guys. And then I have a bunch going, and she has new baby albums in my eBay and all that, which the link's below if you guys are interested in checking some of those out. So anyway, you're gonna basically put these together the same way. You could just decorate them however you'd like. I'll just share with you how I did these two. And this stamp set I actually got from, both stamp sets came from one of those magazines that I buy. And this one came with a bunch of stars and little tiny snowflakes and like little ornaments. There's little bells here, holly berries, leaves, little gift package, which I was thinking these would be really cute to put on some clothespins, like stamp on them and make some magnets from the tiny ones. So I may give that a try. And then I also used the holly leaves here for for this one here. And this also came from a magazine. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I'll just show you. One of the magazines is Papercraft Inspirations. And sometimes when you buy these at Joann's or online, they come with free stamp sets, or sometimes they give you dies, embossing folders, things like that. So I'm going to share with you the different sizes, but I'm going to show you how to put one together, and then that way you'll know how to do them all. You just need to do one size. So for the extra small hat, I used a 1 inch by 3/4, and then for the little rim is 1 1/4 by 1/4 inch, and that's for the extra small. And then I think that's this size here. This is the small. I used 1 1/4 across by 1 inch, 1 3/8, and 1 3/8 by 3/8 of an inch for the rim. And then the medium, which I used in the book that I showed you, is 1 1/2 by 1 1/4. And then the rim is 1 5/8 by 1/2 inch. And then for the large one here that you see, and this large one, when you put it together, measures approximately. And that's if you glue the back halfway down the rim. It measures about 1 3/4 by 1 7/8 wide. Okay. So for the hat part, I did 1 3/4 by 1 1/2. And then for the rim, 1 7/8 by 5/8 wide. Okay, so for the hat, it's so easy, guys. You're going to put your scissor in at the corner here, and you're just going to aim it over to your left a little bit and cut a little angle piece off. Okay, so you can see how I cut. I have this little sliver left. I'm going to do the same thing here. Cut a little angle piece off, and you should end up with something that looks like this. So you're going to turn it around. This is going to be your top piece, which I see is not exactly straight across, so let me just trim that. Okay. And then what you're going to do is add hot glue to the bottom and then glue your hat rim on. So I'm going to add hot glue here, and I'm using hot glue because this is glittered cardstock. You can buy these in single sheets at any of the stores that sell single sheeted scrapbooking paper, like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This actually came from the Metallics paper pad by Recollections, and I bought this a long time ago at Michael's. But I love it because the glitter doesn't rub off, and it gave me silver gold and like a bronze color, and then brown and black. So it was a nice paper pad. But anyway, I'm going to use hot glue on the bottom here. Just go straight across. And then I'm going to eyeball my rim. Go about halfway up. And you could see on the back, I'm not quite halfway. And glue it down. And you're not going to see these measurements, but I wrote them on there for you guys. Okay. And then I took some red ribbon. Now the ribbon I used for the medium and the large size, this measures a 1/4 inch wide. And then the ribbon that I used for my extra small and small hats, this measures 1/8 inch wide. Approximately, I think. Let me check. Let me double check. Sorry, I'm in a singing mood. Okay, yeah, about 1/8 inch wide. And this I also purchased. I actually got this at Michael's last year. And I loved it because I love the silver trim on it with the white and stuff. But anyway, so what I did was I just took some ribbon. And I'm going to wrap it around. And I'm going to put some hot glue on this side. And fold that down. I'm going to go back up to the front. I'm going to add a little strip of hot glue on the ribbon itself. And then I'm going to pull it around the hat right above the rim. Press that down. Wrap it around, trim it with my scissor, let it kind of fold back up a little, and add a little bit more hot glue to seal it, and fold that back down. Okay, then I just kind of fussy cut or cut out from my stamp set. Isn't that cute? Merry Christmas, and has little leaves. And I just drew little berries there with a red pen and then used a little white, like little tick marks in the berries. But for I think the medium, I also made a bow. Let me double check. Yes. So I'm just going to make a little bow here. And I'm going to try to make a bow. Sometimes when I do bows for a video, they give me a hard time, but that worked out pretty well. Yay! Okay, let me see. Yeah, that looks like a good size. I'm just going to trim it off. And then I do seal my ribbon. Be very careful if you do this with a lighter, you don't burn yourself. But I just run the flame over the edge a little bit just to seal it. Be very careful if you do that. You don't want to, you know, do it really quick. You don't want to start your ribbon on fire. Okay, add some hot glue to the back of that. I'm just going to place it over here on the left side. Then I'm going to go in, add some hot glue right there in the center, and grab my stamped little embellishment there and press down. Okay, so this is the large, yeah, this is the large hat. And like I said, I used the medium on there. And you're going to do the same thing. Like this is the extra small. So you're going to go in, cut yourself a little piece off, flip it around, do the same thing to this side. Going to add hot glue to the bottom. And then eyeball your hat rim when you put it on. And you just want an equal amount hanging off of each side of the hat, so it's nice and balanced. And then press it down really well. And I'm going to take that 1/8 of an inch trim here. I'm going to do the same thing. Add some hot glue. And for this tiny ribbon, I use my tweezers so that I don't burn myself. Flip it back around. Add some hot glue to the ribbon. Just a little bit of hot glue. You want to like a thin strip. You don't want to put too much so it schmutzes out. You don't want to see any hot glue there. And then wrap it right back around. Trim that off. Add a nice thin strip of hot glue there. And I'll use my tweezers to fold it down so I don't burn my fingers. And then for this one, I didn't make a bow. I just used holly leaves. And for the extra small, the only difference is I cut off all of these twig berries here that I have on the small hat. The extra small, I just have the holly berries and the leaf. And I'm going to put that right about there. And that's it, guys. That's how I create my little snowman hat. If you have any questions, let me know. I just thought you could use some different sizes depending on what kind of albums you're using. And if you give them a try, let me know. I'd love to see yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.